Ever planned a trip abroad and wondered if you'd still be able to zip through toll booths like a boss? Let's face it, who enjoys the stress of fumbling with cash or cards at a toll booth, especially in a foreign country? Your trusty relay card seems like the perfect solution, but will it work its magic thousands of miles away? This video dives deep into the world of relay cards and international travel, helping you zoom through those toll lanes with confidence. So, can you use your relay card internationally? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. Hold on to your hats, Globetrotters, because we're about to unpack the factors that determine if your relay card becomes a superhero or a dud on your next adventure. Understanding relay cards, a passport to convenience. But before we jet set around the world, let's take a quick pit stop to understand what a relay card is and how it works. In essence, it's a prepaid card linked to your electronic toll collection (ETC) account. Just wave it over the reader at a toll booth, and voila, the toll booth magically deducts the fee from your account. No cash, no coins, pure convenience. Now, imagine using this same card to breeze through toll booths in another country. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, the technology is there, but there are some hurdles to consider. The Great Relay Card Divide, domestic versus international. The key thing to remember is that relay cards are primarily designed for domestic use. Different countries have different ETC systems, and they may not always be compatible. Think of it like having a bunch of exclusive clubs. A membership card for one club might not grant you access to another. Here's where it gets a bit tricky. There are a few scenarios to consider. Traveling within a region with compatible systems. This is the best-case scenario. Some regions, like the European Union, have standardized ETC systems. So, if you have a relay card issued in one EU country, there's a good chance it'll work in others. Venturing to countries with disparate systems. This is where things get dicey. Most countries have their own independent ETC systems. Your relay card from Nigeria might not be recognized by the reader in, say, Japan. The rise of reciprocal agreements. There's a glimmer of hope for international relay card usage. Some countries are starting to form reciprocal agreements, allowing relay cards issued in one country to work in another. This is still in its early stages, but it's a positive step towards toll booth domination on a global scale. So, how do you know for sure? By now, you're probably wondering, okay, but how do I find out if my relay card works internationally? Here are your best bets. Contact your relay card issuer. The provider that issued your relay card is your primary source of information. They'll have the most up-to-date details on international compatibility. Give them a call or check their website for a compatibility checker. Research the local ETC system. If you're planning a trip to a specific country, do some online digging. Search for information on the country's ETC system and see if there are any compatibility agreements in place. Alternative solutions for the intrepid traveler. Now, let's say your relay card isn't giving you the green light for international use. Don't fret, there are still ways to conquer those toll booths. Rent a transponder. Many car rental companies offer transponders specifically designed for the region you're visiting. This can be a convenient option, although there might be rental fees involved. Cash is king, sometimes. While not the most exciting option, some toll booths still accept good old-fashioned cash. Just make sure you have the local currency on hand to avoid any holdups. Plan your route. Sometimes, avoiding toll roads altogether is the best strategy. Use mapping apps to find alternative routes that might be free of tolls. The wrap-up, planning makes perfect toll booth journeys. Remember, a little planning goes a long way, especially when it comes to using your relay card internationally. Contact your issuer, research the local ETC system, and consider alternative solutions if needed. With the right preparation, you can ensure a smooth and stress-free journey through those toll booths, no matter where your travels take you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.